Manibulisa kwakhona nguSiphiwe from Simphiwe Molefe Properties. Ngicela ke nisijoin for our viewing. Silapha eMdantsane kwakhona. We've got a very beautiful house. Cela singene ngaphakathi. Please follow me. Babonise na ngapha babone. We've got a very good yard. So if we go to that's space up. Now there's also, we've got another space up. If you can put something, a structure up if you are strong. And if you mind about this property, it is wall fence, as you can see up around it. That's naked. It's very, very much secure. So we wanted to show you the outside. Please follow me. Number 2, that's aluminum windows. So it's very, very much secured. It's very beautiful. It is ready for someone to move in. As you can see all around it. Number 2, if you put a garden, so you can just always play around it. It depends by Tony and please follow me guessing in the main house. Then if you can also use a just put something. It's up to you. Yes. So please follow me. Okay, before singene, that's new space up as you can see. That's this new space in upper. Please come follow me. This space, this is a space as sugar main gate. That's yeah. Please follow me. You must get a pagat. Upper pagat, we've got a very beautiful kitchen. Now, I don't get a bubble next. So, I mean, you won't rate this room, as you can see, this house is very beautiful. Another peaceful. Please follow me. Nancy building here. We've got a big surprise for you. I'm gonna upper pagati. Can come. I'm gonna go inside. This is your bathroom. Another bed. Please follow me. We've got a room. If you please to come inside. And in the it has built-ins. Very beautiful house. And from here we move. Now the sitting room, Yalapekaya. Now the sitting room, Yalapekaya and dining room. Very spacious. Now this TV stand sako. Can buy your TV yako or plasma TV yako beg it up. So you give your rate. It's ready for someone who's serious. Is an upper segment bedroom. Now segment bedroom here too. Now the buildings nalap. So this house, as you can see, Yenziwe, it's very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Angabureti utenga for utenga. You want come for viewing, you want to buy, inquiries, please phone 043 721 0351. Alternative is close phone emergency number 073 27 12 589. Igama lefem nguSimphiwe Molefe Properties. We are based in East London, number 25, Darlington Street, Eberia. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, YouTube channels, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and etc. We love you. Otherwise, we thank you for joining us for this viewing. We are looking forward to your comments, to your inquiries. We love you. God bless you. Bye.